Okay, so for this next trick we don't need the whole deck, we just need these 8 cards, and as you can see we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 black cards, and 1, 2, 3 and 4 aces. Now the reason I use 4 black cards and 4 aces is because the aces are very distinguishable and easily recognizable from these 4 black cards. So you can follow the trick better. So let me introduce you to the aces first. The first one is the ace of clubs, the ace of spades, the ace of hearts, and the last one is the ace of diamonds. Now we're going to take 4 aces and we put them in the 4 corners, thus making a little square. We're going to leave the ace of spades face up because he is the leader ace, and because he's the biggest. And we, of course, we have 1, 2 and 3 and 4 black cards. And now for start, I'm just going to take one of the black cards, for example this one, put it next to the leader. We take the ace, goes in the middle of the black cards, give it a little snap, and like this, and you can see already the first ace vanishes. We can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 black cards and no aces because the ace has traveled to the leader. So that's the first, the ace of clubs. Let's go for the second black card, for example this one, put it next to the leader. We take the ace, goes in the middle of the black cards, we give it a little snap and do like this, and you can see the second ace vanishes. You can see right here 4 black cards, no aces, because the ace has traveled again, this time the ace of hearts. Now remember, I'm only using 4 aces and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 black cards. So let's do the last one. Last black card goes next to the leader ace. The ace goes in the middle of the black cards. Give it a snap, give it a little twist. You can see here 4 black cards, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, and no aces because the ace has traveled to the leader ace, and that is the trick with 4 aces.